Good morning, children. In this class, I am going to explain Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry, Introduction part. Coordinate geometry means the representation of a point on a plane with idea of two references led to development of new branch of mathematics is known as coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, a type of geometry which connects with coordinates. So before going to topic, let us recap with chess game. We all know that the rules of chess game. This topic introduces with chess game. So see, knight is in the chess game always moves in L-shaped manner. So how do you know how many units it has moved L shape right to top? And moved L shape left to bottom? This theory is going to connect the coordinate geometry. This coordinate geometry helps the exact position of a point. Now let us see where this theory apply in real life. We all have seen the aeroplanes flying in the sky, but we may not thought of how they actually reach the correct destination. Actually, all these air traffic is managed and regulated by using coordinate geometry. For the real world location, describing the accurate location and shape of features will require a coordinate framework. For this purpose, a special coordinate system called geographical coordinate system is needed to assign geographic locations. Moreover, this theory was used to find location of students in a classroom and to find the position of your place in classroom like this. These are some of the applications used in day-to-day life. See daily life applications to find the position of the knight and bishop in a chessboard, location of a air transport, map projections, fourth one latitude and longitude, fifth one describing the position of any point. Father of coordinate geometry is Rene Descartes. Coordinate geometry or analytical geometry or Cartesian geometry is the study of geometry using a coordinate system and the principles of algebra and analysis. Now introduction to the Cartesian plane. The horizontal line is called x-axis. The vertical line is called y-axis. The intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. The coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. Next, the distance of a point from y-axis is called x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from x-axis is called y-coordinate or ordinate. See here one example, one coordinate 3, 4. Here abscissa is 3 and ordinate is 4. See, x coordinate is called abscissa, 3 is abscissa here, and y coordinate is called ordinate is 4, 3, 4 point. Abscissa 3 and ordinate 4. Next, the Cartesian system. Cartesian plane is divided into 4 quadrants, namely Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 are first, second, third and fourth quadrant respectively. The signs of coordinate of a point are as follows. The signs of the coordinates of Q1 is J plus comma plus, that is x greater than 0 and y greater than 0. Next, the signs of coordinates of Q2 is minus comma plus, that is x less than 0 and y greater than 0. Third one, the signs of coordinates of Q3 is minus comma minus, that is x less than 0 and y less than 0. Fourth one, the signs of coordinates of Q4 plus comma minus, that is x greater than 0 and y less than 0. The plane can be divided into 4 parts by the perpendicular axis. Xx dash is called x-axis, Ox is called positive x-axis, Ox dash is called negative y-axis, and Yy dash is called y-axis. So Oy is called positive y-axis and Oy dash is called negative y-axis. This is about coordinate system, x-axis and y-axis. Ox is called positive x-axis, Ox dash is called negative y-axis, Oy is called positive y-axis, Oy dash is called negative y-axis. The general form of a point on x-axis is x, 0. The points are, for example, minus 3, 0, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 0, and 1, 0, 2, 0. Next, the general form of a point on y-axis is 0, y. So, for example, 0, 3, 0, 2, and 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 0, minus 3. Okay, now I am sharing one video about coordinate plane song.
To plot the coordinates 2, 1, go right 2, jump up 1, and you're done. To plot -8, +2, go left 8, up 2, that's what we do.
On the x-axis,
Count left or right.
on the y-axis,
Count up or down, that's how our coordinates point is found. To plot the coordinates 9, 5, go right 9, up 5, to where you arrive. For -3, -9, go left 3, down 9, where they intertwine.
on the x-axis,
Count left or right.
on the y-axis,
Count up or down, that's how our coordinates point is found. To plot +6, -4, up right 6, down 4. Let's do one more with the ordered pair 0, -3, remain at the origin, fold down 3 with me.
on the x-axis,
Count left or
on
right.
the y-axis,
Count up or down, that's how our coordinates point is found.
The coordinates are kinda like clues, telling you where to plot the x and y values. And when you see them on a questionnaire, they can be called coordinates or an ordered pair. There are 4 quadrants. The first is in the top right corner. The second, third, and fourth go in counterclockwise order. Finally, there's a place you begin. At 0, 0, called the origin. On the x-axis, hey.
Count left or
On
right.
the y-axis, hey.
Count up or down, that's how our coordinates point is found.
I hope all of you understand coordinate plane and coordinate system. Horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis, and intersection point of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. Here some examples. Page number 160, 161. Do this, try this. Think, discuss. See first question. Where do these following points lie? -4, 0, 2, 0, 6, 0, -8, 0. We know the general form of a point on x-axis is x, 0. Here all the points are on the form of x-axis x, 0. So these points lie on x-axis. Next, second question. What is the distance between the points -4, 0 and 6, 0? First, these points are lie on x-axis. So the distance between 2 points formula is modulus of x1 minus x2. Is here -4, 0 is x1, y1 and 6, 0 is x2, y2. So the distance between 2 points is equal to modulus of -4 minus 6, that is minus modulus of -10 is equal to 10 units. Third question. Where do these following points lie? 0, -3, 0, -8, 0, 6, 0, 4 lies on y-axis. We know all the points are on y-axis because the general form of a point on y-axis is 0, y. So all these points are lie on y-axis. Fourth question. What is the distance between 0, -3, 0, -8? And justify that the distance between two points on y-axis is. So the distance between 2 points is, we know formula modulus of y1 minus y2. Here the 2 points are lie on y-axis. So modulus of y1 minus y2 means modulus of minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 5 units. Now discuss question: how will you find the distance between 2 points in which x or y coordinates are same but not 0? So now let us solve this one example. See here, let the 2 points 3, 4 and 3, 5 AB points. Observe these 2 points. Here x coordinates are same. Then the distance between the 2 points A and B is modulus of y1 minus y2. Here y1 is 4 and y2 is 5. So modulus of 4 minus 5 is equal to modulus of minus 1 is equal to 1 unit. Next, let the points A 4, 3 and B minus 8, 3 here. See, observe these two coordinates, then y coordinates are same here. Then the distance between 2 points is modulus of x1 minus x2 is modulus of minus 8 minus 4 is modulus of minus 12 is equal to 12 units. In this slide, some formulae of distance between 2 points. If the 2 points in a plane have the same abscissa, then A x comma y1 and B x comma y2, then the distance between 2 points A and B is modulus of y1 minus y2 units. Next, second formula: if the 2 points in a plane have the same ordinate means y coordinates are same, then A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y, then the distance between A and B is modulus of x1 minus x2 units. Next, third formula: if the distance between in a plane A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2, then the distance between A and B is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Last formula: distance of a point x comma y from the origin is root of x square plus y square. These are the formula of distance between 2 points. Thank you.